How to watch free videos on Amazon Prime Video, Tutorial 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to watch free movies and TV shows on Amazon Prime Video without paying for any subscription. If you did not know that Amazon has a ton of free content you can watch right now in 2026 without spending a single penny. Stick with me because I am going to walk you through the official way to access it step by step. So let me start by explaining what happened and why free content exists on Prime Video in 2026. Amazon previously operated a free ad-supported streaming service called Freevee that ran alongside Prime Video. Amazon shut down the Freevee app in late 2025, migrating its content, including series like Jury Duty and Bosch Legacy, directly into Prime Video, where it remains available to watch for free without a subscription. Amazon announced it was shutting down Freevee back in November 2024, citing a plan to streamline the viewing experience and bring all of its content into one unified app. So the free content did not go away, it just moved to a new home inside Prime Video, and here is the key thing you need to understand. Amazon decided to consolidate and transition all that free content into watch for free selections on Prime Video. Anyone can access Prime Video, even if you do not have an Amazon Prime membership, though you will need an Amazon.com account. You can watch Prime Video via your web browser by going to Amazon.com, or you can download the Prime Video app. That is it. No credit card required just to watch the free stuff. Now let me walk you through exactly how to find and watch this free content. Step 1. Go to your device and download the Amazon Prime Video app. It is available on iPhone through the App Store, Android through the Google Play Store, Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV, Samsung and LG Smart TVs, gaming consoles, and Windows computers through the Microsoft Store. You can also just open a web browser and go to primevideo.com. Step 2. Sign into a free Amazon account. If you do not have one, just create one with your email address and a password. Again, you do not need Amazon Prime, and you do not need to enter payment information just to access the free content. Step 3. Once you are inside the Prime Video app or website, look for content labeled Watch for Free or Free with Ads. All the free content is available under the Watch for Free section in the Prime Video app. You can identify the free ad-supported content by looking for Watch with Ads or with Ads labels on the show's detail page. You can browse these sections or search for a specific title, and if it is available for free, the label will appear right on it. Step 4. Click on the title you want and hit play. The content will stream with ads. Some content will continue to include advertising, such as free ad-supported programming, live TV, and sports events. The ads are the trade-off for getting the content completely free. Think of it like watching regular television. You get the content for free, and in exchange you watch a few commercials. Step 5. Explore what is actually available for free, because the library is bigger than you might think. Popular titles like Jury Duty and Bosch Legacy were added to the Watch for Free section on Prime Video. The free library also includes live 24/7 entertainment channels as well as original shows. A vast offering of free streaming content is accessible for non-Prime members, including select originals from Amazon MGM Studios, a variety of licensed movies and series, and a broad library of FAST channels, all available on Prime Video. FAST stands for Free Ad-Supported Streaming Television, and these are live channels that play content around the clock, just like traditional cable TV. Now, the Watch for Free section is visible to Prime Video users residing in the US, UK, Germany, and Austria, so keep that in mind if you are outside of those regions. Now let me also break down how this fits into Amazon's full streaming structure in 2026 so you understand the complete picture. The first level is completely free. You pay nothing, you create a free Amazon account, and you watch the free with ads content. No subscription at all. The second level is Amazon Prime or standalone Prime Video. Amazon Prime Video typically costs $8.99 per month, or $108 per year. If you pay for Amazon Prime and access Prime Video that way, you will pay $14.99 per month, or $139 annually. This gives you access to the full Prime Video library, but it includes ads. The third level is Prime Video Ultra. Prime Video's ad-free subscription is now Prime Video Ultra in the US, priced at $4.99 a month. The new Ultra subscription delivers enhanced features including up to 5 concurrent streams, up to 100 downloads, and exclusive access to 4K UHD streaming. This is an add-on that removes ads and gives you premium features on top of your existing Prime or Prime Video subscription. But again, the whole point of this video is the free level. You do not need any of those paid tiers to enjoy a huge selection of movies, shows, and live channels. Now here is your pro tip. When you find a free title you want to watch later, add it to your watch list by clicking the plus icon on the title. This saves it so you can quickly find it again without searching. Also, Amazon regularly rotates the free library, adding new titles and removing others. Amazon Prime Video free with ads is constantly adding and removing movies and TV shows to its catalog. So check back often because new content shows up regularly. One more important thing. Amazon also offers a significantly reduced membership tier called Prime Access for $6.99 per month. This program is designed for individuals receiving government assistance and provides the exact same benefits as a standard $14.99 membership, including free shipping and streaming. Qualifying programs include SNAP EBT, Medicaid, SSI, TANF, WIC, and LIHEAP. So if you qualify, that is another way to access the full Prime Video library at a major discount. Alright, let me do a quick recap. The old Freevee app is gone, but all of its free content now lives inside Amazon Prime Video. All you need is a free Amazon account. Look for content labeled Watch for Free or Free with Ads inside the Prime Video app or website. You get access to original shows, licensed movies and series, and live streaming channels. You will see some ads, but the content is completely free, and it is available in the US, UK, Germany, and Austria. If this video helped you discover free content you did not know about, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials just like this one. And drop a comment below telling me what free show or movie you are going to watch first. I read every comment and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.